just getting off work. And I just picked up a Poplin order, so we're on our way to pick up this Poplin order. It's another new customer, so let's go ahead and welcome our new Poplin customer. Laundry has been picked up. I could have sworn that it said 2 bags, but it was 3 hampers. I ain't gonna say 4, only one was full. Oh, my head cut off. Only one was heavy. So now we're going to start on this laundry so I can drop it off before I have to be to work tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. So, and then I will be back tomorrow. I want you guys to come along with me tomorrow as I drop this laundry back off. Good morning. It's another day. It's a little dark in here. I'm on my way to drop off the Poplin order that we picked up yesterday, and then I'm going to be on my way to work. So I just wanted to come in so you guys can come along with me as I drop off this laundry. And it's a new customer. She had a pretty big order, and she had 2 puffy items in there. And puffy items are, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, $6 a piece for each puffy item. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's what it is, $6 for each puffy item, which she had 2. And sometimes people put big items in there. When I say puffy items, like big quotes, and she had the big bed covers. I forgot what you call them. You put mattress covers, and they were very, very thick. So I can only get 2 in the washer. So when you get big items like that, where you can't get many items, they call them puffy items. And she had 2 of them. Someone put it in there, but they don't say that they have a puffy item, thinking that they're going to get through. No. We're going to charge you for that puffy items, because that's more work that I have to do, and it takes longer because it takes longer to dry. But anyway, I'm just talking and babbling now. We're going to go ahead and drop this laundry off. back and forth I had to do, taking out all that laundry. And I still forgot to cut the camera on. But anyway, the laundry is complete. And now I'm on my way to work. I don't know why. I asked you guys to come along with me. Then when I get here, I don't show you anything because I forget to cut the camera on. I'm so concentrated on getting the customer their laundry in front of their door so I can see what my payout is, and that's it. So let's check and see what the payout for that order is. This is without the tip, if she gives me a tip, because this is a brand new customer never had before. And as you guys know, when it's a brand new customer, it was stated. So for that order, I received $57 for that order. But that was $57 for that. The payout for that was $57. Which wasn't bad because, you know, every little bit helps. So I done completed my 10 Poplins for the month of January. I have 5 more Spark deliveries to do, 1 Amazon and 1 Instacart. And then a lot of times the Amazon, the kinds that I like to do, don't come through much. So if I don't get the Amazon delivery, I don't like doing a lot of logistics because you get more packages to me. And it's more deliveries, you know. You may have like 45 packages and maybe 45 homes to go to sometimes. But if you get, oh, I think I turned down the wrong road. But if you get whole food deliveries, you may have 45 packages, but out of the 45 packages, you may only have like 10 homes to go to. Because, of course, you know, Whole Foods is food items. And now we have something where you can go to Home Depot. And there, I like doing those because it's the most that I have is 5 different homes to go to. Sometimes it can be 2. But anyway, that's why I like those. But those types don't come through as much. But I said I'm gonna get back into doing logistics. When Amazon first started, that's what I was doing. But I would like to start off with like a 2-hour, as they call them, block. But of course, you don't get a lot of 2-hour blocks for those type of deliveries. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close out. You guys be blessed, and I will definitely see you in the next video.